Welcome to the KnowledgeCity Learning Portal, your gateway to personal and professional growth. Whether you're starting fresh or building on what you know, the platform is built to give you a smooth, engaging learning experience. Notice how the design is clean and intuitive on the homepage, ensuring that every tool you need is just a click away. Let's walk through how you can make the most of it. Let's start by clicking the Sign In button on the homepage. Enter your credentials here to log in. If your organization allows it, you can use SSO for an even smoother login experience. After adding your credentials, click on Sign In. Once you're logged in, the first page you'll land on is My Learning. This is your command center and your personal learning dashboard, where everything is just a click away. Let's walk through what you'll find here step by step. Right at the top, you'll see all the courses assigned to you. These are the ones you need to complete, front and center, so you know exactly where to begin. The next section is called Continue Learning. This section showcases the last video or course you were viewing. By clicking here, you can jump back in without missing a beat. Now let's check out My Points. Here you'll find a breakdown of the points you've earned from different courses. A great way to visualize your learning progress. Following that is the leaderboard. This adds a fun, competitive edge by showing how you rank among your peers based on course completions and engagement. And right after that, we've got the AI-powered training needs analysis. This smart tool lives right inside the My Learning page. It'll ask you a few quick questions, identify any skill gaps, and recommend tailored courses that support your growth. Think of it as your AI-powered personal learning advisor. We can close this for now and head back to the My Learning page. If you have started or viewed any course videos, the next section will simply showcase the recently viewed videos you have engaged with. Now let's check out the calendar. Your calendar helps you stay organized, showing upcoming assignments, due dates, and anything else that's on your learning schedule. Click here on the calendar to jump right to the course page. Let's go back to the My Learning page. That's a look at the key features of your My Learning dashboard, designed to guide, motivate, and support your growth every step of the way. Now let's check out the My Assignments section. The My Assignments section contains courses specifically selected to support and enhance your learning journey. You can filter your learning content by type, including courses, learning paths, and skill paths. You can also sort by status, choosing from Not Started, In Progress, Viewed, or Past. Additionally, filter by due date to see upcoming, overdue, or not set assignments. If you want to start fresh, just click on Reset Filters to clear all your selections. Next, let's check out the Learning Library. The Learning Library is your portal to tens of thousands of course videos across various categories. Click on the Library tab to view all available categories. You can hover on any category to view the subcategories. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's click on All Categories to view all available courses. On this page, you can switch categories from the top menu. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Filters panel to help you refine your course selection. Under Course Type, you can choose to view all on-demand or instructor-led courses. For skill level, pick the option that best matches your expertise: Essential, Beginner, Intermediate, or Advanced. And with the Runtime filter, you can sort courses by their length, from quick sessions under 10 minutes to in-depth content lasting over 3 hours. This intuitive system ensures that you can quickly find the perfect course to match your interests and needs. Now let's see how you can view a course. Found a course that you like? Simply click on the thumbnail or the course title to open it. On the course page, you can explore the overview section, learn about the course description, skills you will learn, available languages, and note the duration. When you're ready, head back over to the Content tab for a detailed breakdown of each lesson. And if you prefer reading along, the Transcript tab provides a full written guide to support your learning. Get started with interactive learning by clicking on the video player or selecting a lesson to begin. You're in control. Pause, fast forward, or adjust the playback speed to suit your pace. Need subtitles or a different language? You can switch captions and audio tracks with ease. Choose the video quality that works best for you, from 240p up to full HD at 1080p. And to keep track of your progress, a green check mark will appear once you've successfully watched a video. Once you've viewed all lessons, you're ready to test your knowledge. Click on the certification test button to begin. The test includes multiple choice and true or false questions that are randomly selected to cover the key takeaways from the course. Upon successfully passing the course quiz, you'll earn a certificate of completion, a tangible reward, and a testament to your acquired knowledge and skills. Now that you understand the basics of using the KnowledgeCity Learning Portal, it's time to embark on your journey. Your path to personal and professional success begins here at KnowledgeCity. Start exploring, keep learning, and unlock your full potential.